Sexist Mommy. So today what we're doing is actually a quick clean with me. I actually have my dad coming over in a little bit, so there's a couple things I want to get done around my house, mainly just the front end of the house. So we're just going to go straight into the video today, guys. So hopefully I'm able to motivate you to go ahead and clean whatever it is that you need clean, guys. is finally clean. Like I said, it was just a real quick clean with me, so I hope I was able to motivate you to go ahead and clean whatever it is that you need cleaning, guys. If you can hear my kids in the background, I'm sorry. They're still on break, so it might be a little loud in here, guys. But anyways, now that the cleaning is over, we're making ourselves some coffee here, guys, so we can relax until my dad gets here. I got a candle going. Got my coffee going, guys. So, hey, I think I have it pretty good over here. My house is pretty much clean, at least for the front of it. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed. And like I said, I hope I motivated you guys. And if I did, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And also don't forget to like this video as well. And share it with any of your friends that might need some motivation on a quick cleaning, guys. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Love y'all.